PET bottle washing line is a series of equipment used to wash and process post-consumer PET bottles into clean, recyclable PET bottle flakes. First, belt conveyor feeds the discarded PET bottles into a wheel breaker, which breaks up the compacted bottles and loosens them. This creates ideal conditions for subsequent processing. Impurities such as metal and sand. This step reduces the load on subsequent equipment and improves overall processing efficiency. Then, the label remover efficiently removes the labels on the bottles to ensure purity. Before washing, the bottles are transported to a manual sorting platform. Professionals perform fine sorting to remove residual impurities. Also, the sorting platform is equipped with a metal detector to prevent metal impurities from damaging subsequent equipment. The friction washer uses water and high-speed friction to remove impurities such as residual grease and glue. The floating washer separates the floating impurities from the PET flakes. According to different washing needs, we flexibly configure a variety of advanced washing equipment for multiple deep washing. This ensures that the quality of the final product meets high standards. Finally, after being dried by our professional dehydrator, the PET flakes are stored in the silo. For more information about the product, please visit